Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change audio language on Netflix app. To do this, it's so simple. You should go to the Netflix app. Of course, you should have an account on Netflix. And after that, you go and click on your profile. And after that, open any movie that you want to watch and click on play. And to change the language of audio or the audio language, as you can see, there is an option called audio and subtitles. Click on it. And here, as you can see, below audio, you will find all the available languages for audio that you can use in this movie. And of course, the languages of audio are not the same for every movie. So, for example, French can be available in some movies and not available in other movies. English also, Arabic also, and all the languages. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.